So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the iPhone SE3 in black. Now, I just got this phone in, super excited to check it out. And I also got to say, I really like the new wallpaper design. I think it looks really cool. Anyways, let's get the wrapping off this and take a look at the phone. Now, you can currently get the SE3 in 3 different color options. You've got white, red, and black. And because I own so many red iPhones, I decided to go with black this time around. And dang, guys, it looks fresh. Okay, let's see what else comes in the box. Looks like you got your standard charging cable. You know, the one thing I really like whenever you get a new iPhone is that Apple logo sticker, man. I mean, let's check it out. I know it's in here somewhere, but yeah, the Apple logo sticker is what it's all about. You know what? I don't even want the phone. I'm just going to take the Apple logo sticker and call it a day. Okay, anyways, you're also probably wondering what is different between the SE3 and SE2. And unfortunately, there's not a whole lot different. There's really 2 main differences, which I'm going to touch on. But let's get the wrapping off this phone. And I got to say, though, man, it looks really fresh. I mean, brand new iPhone right here. I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you guys could take a more of a sneak peek at it. But yeah, I mean, it looks super nice. Now, I've been a fan of the SE series. I don't mind smaller iPhones. I think, they're pretty cool. I also like that they kept the home button with the SE3. Anyways, here we go. We've got the SE2 on the right, and you can see there's no difference. Apple logo in the middle. You've got your camera sensors in the top left-hand corner, and it's impossible to tell these phones apart when it comes to the design. Now, in order to save some time, I skipped through the startup screen so we'd kind of get into this SE3. I always like to take a look at the new wallpapers that come with the new iPhone, so I'm going to do that real quick here. And there are a few new ones with this phone. And I'm going to switch it up. I really like the red design. I know it's in here somewhere. There it is right there. Okay, so like I said, you're probably wondering what's different with the SE3 compared to the SE2. And really, there's just a couple. You've got the A15 processor on this phone, and it's got a bigger battery. So it's going to have a slightly better battery life. But screens, you can see right here, both 4.7-inch LCD displays. They both have the home button. Now, there is a price difference, a $30 price difference from when the SE2 came out going to the SE3. It's $430 compared to the $400 price point. Next thing I wanted to do was kind of like a little bit of a performance, playing some Sonic Racing. I also wanted to check out the loudness on this phone. So I'm going to play it for like a minute, and I'll give you my final thoughts right after that. Okay, so as far as my first impressions with the iPhone SE3, it's basically what I expected. Now, if you're using an iPhone SE2, it's probably not going to be worth upgrading to the SE3, but if you're using an older phone or thinking about switching over to an iPhone and don't want to spend a lot of money, then yeah, this is probably going to be one of the best budget iPhones you can get right now other than the iPhone 11. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want to check out some more resources on the iPhone SE3, I'll have some links in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.